Individuals who drive while sending or reading text messages are 23 times more likely to be involved in a car crash than other drivers. A car crash typically happens within an average of 3 seconds after a driver is distracted. The United States Department of Transportation notes that cell phones are involved in 1.6 million auto crashes each year. That causes half injuries and takes 6,000 lives. According to FocusDriven, up to 80% of all crashes involves some form of driver distraction. At any point of the day, 11% of drivers are taking on their cell phones, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. A study from the University of Utah indicated that the reaction time of a teen driver using a cell phone is the same as that of a 70-year-old driver who is not using a cell phone. According to the Virginia Tech Transportation Institute, texting while driving is 6 times more likely to cause an auto crash than driving when intoxicated. The Virginia Tech Transportation Institute installed cameras on a dashboard inside trucks cabs. On average, from the video footage, it took 5 seconds with their eyes off the road when drivers experienced distraction. The distance covered in 5 seconds of driving at 55 miles per hour is equivalent to the length of a football field.